What are tax schedules? Like really, when your CPA or accountant is explaining your tax return and they start saying Schedule A, Schedule B, Schedule E, what in the world are tax schedules? Well, let's dive into what first a 1040 is, and then we'll get into the schedules. So you want to think of the Form 1040 as a summary of your income for a particular year. So when you look at the 2023 Form 1040, you'll see that it starts with your information, your filing status, whether you'll have a standard deduction, your dependents, your income. Page 2, you have your tax and credits, payments, and whether you will owe or if you are getting a refund. Now that we have a generality of what the Form 1040 is, what schedules are just simply details of what you put. Now, if you're itemizing your deductions on the Form 1040, there is a section that is entitled Standard Deduction. However, your itemized deductions, they are way more intuitive than a general standard deduction. So a separate schedule, which is called the Schedule A, for your itemized deductions would be needed because it's going to need a lot more information to see if you can qualify more for a standard deduction versus an itemized deduction. Other common schedules that you may have heard is the Schedule B, which is interest and ordinary dividends, Schedule C, profit or loss from business, Schedule D, capital gains and losses, Schedule E, supplemental income and loss. Now, there are other schedules that are a little bit less common. However, those are the ones that your tax preparer or CPA will notify you and maybe talk through. So we will be taking the time over the next couple of weeks to explain those schedules in detail. So stay tuned for those segments. If you need help with any of this, please feel free to give us a call, 919-858-6807, or email us at info@faithbynum.com.